Good morning. I need to put caulking on some of the walls that are in here. It's already super hot in here. But anyway, I didn't know how to load a caulking gun, but I watched a YouTube video and now I'm a pro. So you're gonna want to cut this. I cut mine with a box cutter. Some people like to get it at a 45-degree angle, and then that way it's easier for them to control where it goes. So once you've cut that, you get one of these. It's just a regular 9-inch caulking gun. It has one of these pins here, so you want to move that over like this, and then use this pin to take out the caulking that's in there. If I can. I just wiped it off. Put it back, and then take this lever here, push it down, and that releases this piece right here, and you can pull that like this, and then you can load your caulking into there. Make sure it's all the way in. Push it back to where it's supposed to go, like that. Your caulking should be ready to go. It's already there at the end, and once you pull the trigger, it should come out like that. So I need to do this wall right here, and I'm ready to go. So yeah, that is how you load a caulking gun. And this isn't a leak-proof one, so that's probably going to happen. So I need to go.